What's going on, car family? I'm Ben Wayne. Thank you for joining me in another video. Today, I'm incredibly excited to talk to you about a car that was just recently revealed at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show, and that is the Mercedes-AMG GT four-door coupe. And like many of you, I've been tracking the spy photos on this car for months. I'm incredibly excited about it. I think it looks stunning overall. It's a very sleek design, and I just love everything about it. And I just wanted to talk to you and also get your thoughts on what we know about the car and the specs that have been revealed so far. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So at this point, we know there are going to be three different variants. There's the 53, the 63, and then of course the 63S. The 53 model is powered by a 3-liter inline 6 with EQ boost, and that combination is going to result in 429 horsepower and 384 pound-foot of torque. Now there's also the 63 model and the 63S model. Both of those are powered by a 4-liter bi-turbo V8, except in the 63 model your output is 577 horsepower and 553 pound-foot of torque. In the 63S model, your output is 630 horsepower and 627 pound-foot of torque. That is amazing. That's incredible. Now, your 0 to 60 times for each of these cars, for example, the 53, your 0 to 60 time is 4.4 seconds. But in the 63, that goes down to 3.3 seconds. And in the 63S, it's going to be 3.1 seconds, which is crazy fast. Now, one thing that you can expect to see in all these cars is the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, which was initially introduced to us in the 2018 Mercedes-AMG E63S sedan. Man, these names are really long though. Now, one thing I want to make mention of is that the 63 and the 63S variants will feature a rear axle steering system. And what that does is allow the vehicle to be more stable at higher speeds. For example, when a vehicle is traveling at a certain speed, the rear wheels will steer in the same phase as the front wheels, which increases stability. But when it's traveling at a lower speed, the rear wheels will steer in the opposite phase as the front wheels, which will allow the vehicle to be a little bit more agile in tight spaces, such as a parking lot. So that's exclusive to the 63 models. The 53 models will not have that. One more thing I want to mention is that there's probably going to be an Edition 1 variant of this car. We know from AMG's history and track record that they usually do Edition 1s of special models. And with that Edition 1, I'm really hoping that there's going to be a fixed rear wing. In my opinion, that looks a lot more aggressive than the variable wings on the traditional models. I would like to know what your thoughts are on this car. Are you excited to see this car? Do you think it's pointless, being that there's already a four-door coupe in Mercedes-Benz lineup, the CLS? Or do you think the Mercedes-AMG GT four-door coupe is way more aggressive? I think a lot of people will probably be trading in their Porsche Panameras soon. And speaking of soon, the AMG GT 63 and 63S will hit the market early 2019. We can expect to see the 53 model later on that year in the summer. Please weigh in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are on this one. Obviously, I'm going to be doing a technical review as soon as this car hits the market. And I'm very excited to see this car. I think it's stunning. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will catch you in the next video. Thanks.